Look, y'all, so I'm getting dressed. And look what the sun did to me yesterday. Because I just had my socks on only in the kayak. And look, and I had shorts on. So my whole leg is tan. Look at my feet. It is crazy. Don't worry about that stain. I don't know what that is, but look at my feet compared to my leg. Don't worry about my knees. That's why I feel like all the millennials, all our knees are jacked up. Because all we did was play, jump gates, climb trees, have fun, be outside. But yeah, don't worry about that. But look at my feet. What are those? Yeah, so, alright, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll let y'all. Peace. And boom, just like that. So I got the bun. The waves popping a little bit. I need to fix my edges. So I do my hair first, and then I put a scarf on, and then get in the shower. So my hair already done, but sometimes I need a shower cap over the scarf, but my edges be getting wet when I wash my face, so it be coming off. But y'all can see the fit a little bit. So got the silver, hold on, silver earrings. Got the cross necklace. Hold on, is it for the right? Yeah. Got, hold on, wait a minute now. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me pull the shirt on up. Put some Jesus in it. So, got a tank top. Got the blue shirt, the picnic shirt. Got some shorts. Got some shorts. Don't mind the flow, y'all. And my shoes. Blue socks. Okay, calves. To match the shirt. Then the blue in the shoes. The pink. You know, this is light pink again. Dark pink. Blue on the side for the socks and the shirt. So that's the fit, y'all. Wish I had some bracelets or watches on, but some casual, some light work. Going out with the fam. See you on the next clip. Here's the carpet, y'all. The runaway. Look at him chilling. What's up, son? So what's up to you too? Here come Raven. Hey. Raven wants some love too. They getting along a little bit better, y'all. I'm trying to slip y'all. So what's up? Come on, Chance. Let's go outside. Chance, come on. Look, here come Raven. I want to go outside too. Hey, boy. Let him out because I don't know how long we're going to be on Raven. Ready, look. She be spinning around in circles. Look. Chance to sit there patiently. Oh. Come on, boy. He don't like going outside by himself. Or if I'm inside and if I'm outside, he outside, he. But he'll pee right over here. He'll boo-boo right over here. I hate that. But he be so close to the door. Like, as soon as you walk out the door, you smell pee. Because he right here. And he is staying right here for 30 minutes. I'm trying to get him used to being out here. Look at him. He's trying to make sure I'm staying. But if I'm staying and I'm just chilling, like sitting in a chair, he'll walk in the garage. He'll play over there. He'll dig. Y'all see that? So, this her backyard. So, she be chilling. But he'll get a little comfortable and start pooping. But I normally take him on walks, so that's what he save his pooping for. He'll come out here and pee. But I'm trying to just let him get some energy out. If he got to pee, he can pee now. Hopefully, if he do got boo-boo right now, he can. See, he peeing right now. But, so yeah, if I can, I mean, yeah, if he want a boo-boo right now, he can. Then when I come back, I'll take it for a walk anyway. See, he's trying to see where you going. He's so pretty, son. Look at you, boy. Look at you, man. Pretty. Look at his color, y'all. No, that wasn't an invitation, son. I don't want your fur on me. Off. Yeah, good boy. Oh, he's scared. They be fighting a little bit still sometimes, but they get along for the most part. It's only been a month. Bless you, son. So they're still getting used to each other. And they territorial over me. So. We spent that water from that dirt and that water. from that kayak. Got a stick. I'm about to go back in inside, y'all. It's hot out here. It's hot out here. See, you following. Go poop, son. He don't want to. Alright. So we leave Raven out here. Raven be having the blast. Want some water? I'm gonna show y'all where his stuff at. Down here in the basement. So Raven stuff in that room. So I mean, I know y'all he need a bigger bowl because he a big dog, but his stuff sitting up here. He got his food, little towel, and shirt to dry him off. Some dental trees, which I ain't get him one yet. But, it's a little bag. It's 11 in here for like $5.49 or something like that. Oh, let me. Y'all can be a little higher. Here's your girl's towel. Alright. Y'all see Chance? Yeah. Chance, come here. Come. He know a couple commands, y'all. Sit. So, I'll let he don't gotta do too much work for his dental treat. And then he got some shampoo, some deodorant spray to smell good, some wipe down wipes. It's also deodorized too. The little shampoo scrubber. I need to buy some more carpet cleaner. But keep that shit. You got a pet, bro, cat, dog, keep that on deck. But I came out here to get him some water. So be back, y'all. What's up, boy? I do some more. You need a bigger bowl for real, son. Say, cause I'm a big bowl. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Really good lighting in that. Yeah. My phone in this rice. But yeah, I'm ready to got my glasses, perfume. I put a little bit of perfume on. I'm gonna put this on too. Fanny pack. Yeah, take my glasses. The battery about to die, y'all. So next clip, y'all go see me get in the car or at the restaurant. Peace. I'm finally in the car. My auntie was late. A good 30 minutes.
Oh my gosh, really?
Really cousin in the back. My auntie said she's too fabulous for y'all to see her.
Wow.
So y'all want to get her. You been to K-pop before?
No.
No? You like seafood?
I like seafood, yes.
Yeah, she loves seafood. She loves it.
And you cooking everything at the table.
That's what I was wondering.
Soup.
Like,
Yeah, they give you soup. You put the soup in there.
Yeah, you can cook it at the table.
Yeah, we get. Some places got crab. Novi. I love Novi. It's pretty. The picture I sent you on my birthday, we was at the Novi one.
oh, okay.
Novi's pretty. They got the crab, the little small crabs, crab legs. They don't have sushi or nothing like that, but everything is raw to you, and they heat up the pot for you, the pan, and they trade it when it get dirty.
Okay.
And it's a
kinda
menu.
like,
You can pick it yourself.
What was that other place where you used to like put the stuff in the bowl and they would cook it for you?
BB Grills.
Yes, someone
I used
like
to love that place. Yeah.
Yeah.
But they cook it in front of you.
Right.
With them, you cook it at the table.
Right.
yourself.
That's the only difference here. But
So why we tipping if we cooking our own food?
Right.
They bring you the stuff though, the food and stuff.
We're like, yeah. See, you shouldn't get 20% for that though. Cause you wasn't doing all the shaking and the moving. I was. And tip myself.
I could have tipped yourself your own money.
That means I don't give a tip.
Turn
to
left,
them. I keep
then
it.
take the first left onto
I'll let
Schoolcraft.
y'all know when we get there.
That bird. Go to the pool every day. It takes forever for my hair to dry. Oh, speaking of camp,
Let's go to
speaking of camp, there's this one friend who keeps keep shipping me and him together.
Oh, you got boyfriend?
Don't start. know what's worse.
You bet not. You can't date until you're 30. Okay? So that's a year from where I'm at. So you can't date until you're 30. Trust me, boys ain't nothing but trouble. I remember when you and Denard was telling me that when I was 20, just go experience life. I should have listened.
Yeah.
Y'all told me to go travel. Just wait.
Oh, yeah, Black Rock. Yeah.
Oh, you went there before?
Yeah.
I went there
A
once.
long time ago, but
Y'all went in.
her granddad.
I went during COVID, and you cook your meal on the plate there too.
Yeah.
We didn't do that.
Y'all didn't do that? I had like a steak there. But it's so pretty in the Nova one. I forgot it's one in Sterling Heights, and the other one I forgot where that one's at.
There's one in Taylor, too.
I don't think I went that far out. Thank you. This part. Good. You can get a cute little picture, Jordan. See to myself, guys. But yeah, you order off this. They'll come and assist you, low-key, but this is my 4th time here, so I'm a pro. Low-key, you don't even need a menu because it tells you everything you need on there. I would get the mushroom soup.
Okay, so those things you go get. Okay, so those things you go get.
Like when you put your food in,
Right.
while you're waiting, we'll get some stuff.
Okay.
I get the slice in there. I keep pressing too many times because I don't see it going. You straight dumplings on. They straight dumplings are good and they crab meat is good. I'll show you this one. I'll show you when you do it. I can do both at the same time. So I'm gonna get these little spring rolls on. I don't even need like that. I'm gonna try the chicken. I never tried the chicken. My little cousin, she getting big, y'all. She just turned 20. You don't want nothing over there? Probably like some chicken, y'all.
Let me back to the table.
Yeah, okay. Go get some sauce and stuff. They switched our soups up. This one mine, and this one my auntie's.
Oh, yeah. I'll do the water.
I'll put your soup on your pot.
I'm about to take off.
You staying here? You staying here?
Yeah.
Well, my cousin got her food, y'all. So I'm gonna go back to mine. I need a bowl for myself. And the sauce is here. But they be confusing me, but I don't know where they be at because they don't really have them like over the soup. I mean over the sauce. They really be soy sauce. Salt, so I shouldn't have put salt in here. These people here some rude, y'all. Well, I like these. But this not fried. They got fruit treats on there. Give me one crab. I don't know how to crack them for real. Get some crawfish. And I'm gonna get one crab because we do like scissors at the table. Why you look at my plate like that? Thank you. Yeah. Oh, look, y'all. Table full. That's a lot of food, ain't it? Alright, this your ramen, Joy. Oh, your noodles right here, too. So I'm gonna just pass it. It's good. It's spicy or no?
It's a little trick.
You okay? Oh, geez. Splash my cousin, so put my steak on here. And I'm put my lamb on here too.
How you know when it's cooked?
You just, play with it. Basically the same thing you do at home, like touch it, open it up a little bit. She got her own tongues.
No, let you have that one. They need to bring one more.
Cooking up, y'all. She over there eating. I got corn. I got the crab legs.
That's my fault. No, I didn't open it up.
If you put it on low, it get real hot and stay hot. You taking up the whole thing. Yeah, this cooking is good. Like, just looking at it, and it's so skinny, you can see what it's done. Like, my steak still bleeding, but you can still see it.
Oh, so that's my fault. My fault.
Until this is so experience. I like my food. You didn't even try it. You can clean it. Oh, did you try to bring them?
I hate my food.
That's the one thing about it. You gotta put and eat at the same time. Right. I don't know how to cook.
I'm gonna do this good idea for me.
The restaurant is spicy as possible. Did you try your rice? I got people eat plain rice.
You just cook?
Yeah, it's not.
Never tried this before. I'm scared.
They had sausage up there. You want some like soy sauce on it?
Yeah. But at least two.
You know, like it's a bowl. Not using it.
Maybe this cooking business is not for me, gang. Yeah. Yeah, I hate pork. I think it's just because I don't know how to cook. You want this? You want this? Does anybody else want you to plate? Or? A plate's fine.
I'm about to get this in peace. I'll holler back at you. I'm gonna figure out my order. What does it look like to me? Mom said, like, you forgot your carrots. I'm like, I ain't ordered no carrots. These are sweet. This is a sweet potato. I forgot to eat it. I think I got it, dog.
wash it out. When I say come, you grab my purse.
It's not that bad, but it don't taste like a sweet potato from us. But this is a Korean restaurant, so it tastes like a Korean sweet potato. It's alright, it tastes like a french fry. You know, I think I cooked it wrong way. I give it a 6. A 5.5 out of 10. Y'all wear Lululemon at your school?
Yes. Too many people have Lululemon.
It's my little cousin, y'all.
Yeah.
She almost my height. It's my baby.
I'm not your baby.
You are my baby.
I'm not.
Delby.
You can't say the word.
Delby.
Dude.
Did you?
No.
Oh.
That's her.
This?
Oh.
Did you?
No.
Oh.
That.
They look alike.
Wow.
I'm sorry. Dobies, you losing it, gang.
Delby's using it. That's great. Delby. Yeah, so the food's good. What you rate the food, Jordan? 1 out of 10.
1 million.
1 million? What you rate the food? She gave it a slam door.
Oh, you ain't answered the question, mama.
What? I couldn't hear.
What you rate the food? 1 out of 10.
It's about an 8.
What do you rate it?
I'm gonna give it an 8.5. 8.5 is good. So this is the end of this vlog. I'm gonna post this Wednesday. Happy Monday, y'all. Hope everybody had a good day at work. Y'all drive safe. Be safe. Don't forget to thank God that you woke up this morning. I love y'all. Peace.